Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie. It is really nice to meet you. It's nice having you here. And if you are a returning crew, welcome back. Thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. So for today's video, I am gonna be doing my Ipsy unbagging for the month of April. I know I haven't really done Ipsy unbagging. I don't know. I just haven't done one, but I decided to just go ahead and do it. I mean, I receive it every month and I love watching this unbagging, unboxing, and I love seeing everybody's bag and the things that they get in their monthly bag. So I am gonna do just that. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just hit that subscribe button and you will be part of the MJ crew. So if you guys want to see what I have in my April's Ipsy bag, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the bag that we have for this month, and it is so pretty, guys. Look at this bag. I just love the bag. It is such a statement, and at the back you just have a solid color, so that's pretty neat. And of course you have your Ipsy name on the little zipper, and the zipper is like a rose gold, so it's pretty cute. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the theme for this month, and it is social butterfly, which is not me because I am not very social. I am a homebody and I kind of just keep to myself. Let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I am seeing in the bag is this product right here. I don't know how to say that name, but this is a sugar body scrub. It's always good to have body scrub. It smooths, exfoliates, nourish, and deeply moisturize your skin. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and this is from that company. It's gonna be right here. So let's go open it. It says coconut oil, so hopefully it smells like coconut because I love coconut. I love eating coconut. I love drinking coconut juice. I just love coconut. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh yes, coconut oil plus coffee, so two of my favorite things in the world. Oh, that smells so good. What's funny is I'm trying to cut back on coffee. I told my husband I'm not gonna drink any coffee this whole week, and then this thing comes along and oh my god, it smells like coffee. Oh, I just want to drink some coffee. No. Okay, so I'm gonna go and put some on my hand. This is what it looks like. It looks like it has like little tiny sugars and probably like coffee beans maybe. That is, you know, you can feel it. It definitely feel like sugar. It looks like it's sugar, and then, you know, a little bit of the coffee beads to it. It smells so good. And it feels like the exfoliator that you use on your face. It has that feeling. Let's go ahead and see the next thing. Let's go ahead and take this Ofra. We do get a lot of Ofra blush and highlight from them too. So this is a blush. This is in Chameleon, used in palettes and kits. So I do have the palette. So this is what the blush looks like. It is pretty huge. It's a good size pan right here. It has like a rose tone to it. It will be perfect for the spring and summer for sure. Can you guys see that? It's really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some. I'm just taking my favorite blush brush. This is the Luxie 524T. This is my go-to blush brush. So Ofra blush are very pigmented, so be careful. You know, you guys, I really don't like wearing blush. I feel like it doesn't look good on me. The apples of my cheeks are right here when I smile, and then when I relax my face, it feels like the products are right here. And I mean, that's where I'm supposed to put my blush. So, you know, sometimes I just don't wear blush just because I don't like it too low right here. But so it just gives a little bit of rosy cheeks, so I don't mind that. So let's go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is this is Luna by Luna, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's pretty cute. This is a single shadow. We received a few shadows from this company before, and this is what it looks like inside. It's really cute. So let's go ahead and open it. It's just a bronzy shade. It's always good to have bronzy shades. This is the shades that I go for, so I don't mind it. It's good to have it, you know, on a single shadow, so you can just toss it in your makeup bag and you are good to go. Wow. Wow, that is very pigmented, you guys. It's like I can't see my skin or anything. It covered my skin pretty good. I definitely want to create a look using this, so we're gonna go ahead and work on our crease. I'm just taking my Aphrodite palette. This is from Bad Habit collection, and information where you can get them is down below on the description. This is what it looks like. It is very well loved. Put a little bit of depth on our crease before we apply that shade. You guys know how this works. And then I'm gonna take this beautiful shade. It is so gorgeous. I'm just using my finger, and then we're gonna put that on the inner part of our lid. You guys, I'm sorry if my fingers looks a little yellow, because I just took off my nail polish, and yeah, that's what happens when you have your nails painted all the time. So that looks really pretty on the eyes. I love it. I love the tone. I love the color. It swatches and it applied on my lid really well. So love it. I'm going to depot this and add it to my other single shadows. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the eyes, and then I will be right back. So you guys, I went ahead and finished up the eyes and applied some lashes, but I do love that shadow. Like I said, that shadow is going to be depotted and put into my other single shadows. So let's go ahead and get into the last product in this bag, which is a liquid lipstick. This is from Smashbox. You have to shake it because it kind of settled on the bottom. Shake it or mix it. But this is from Smashbox. This is says always on liquid lipstick, and this is in Misconduct. We just had to mix it, so I can already tell that this is my shade. I love this shade. The applicator is a little different. It's like a tulip shape, and it has like a hole in the middle. I'll go ahead and swatch them for you. Ooh, that is very pigmented. Look at that. That's just, what was it? Was that one swipe or two? One? I'm losing it. I'm getting old. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on my lips. I like this shape because it is, you know, it goes smaller on the top, so you can get on this part of your lips. You guys, I am living for this shade. Oh my god, I love it. This is my favorite by far of all the liquid lipstick that I have. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love the shade. I love the tone. It looks really good, you guys. Thank you. Thank you for putting this in my bag, because this is definitely the gem in this bag for me, for sure. You know, I was counting in my head. That's just 4 products that I just tried, and that's everything in my bag. Oh, maybe it's in here. Yes, it is. Oopsie. So there is a brush in this month's bag that I just now seen. This is from Firma Beauty. It says firmabeauty.com, and it's just an angle brush. So this brush is really soft. I think this is the first time I've heard of this company. This is the first time we had this in the bag. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's just an angle brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use this to apply some more highlighter. Why not? So obviously this is a shadow brush, but I don't want to touch my shadows anymore, so we're just gonna use them to apply our highlighter. Why not? You guys, the handle smells. It's a familiar smell, but I can't place it. But it does smell. That was very strong. So you guys, that's everything in my April Ipsy bag. I am so glad that I filmed this bag because I really love this one right here. The coffee smell just made me want to drink coffee. I'm trying to stay away from coffee, so I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm sure it's a good thing for your skin. And the lips, you guys, is definitely the gem in the bag. I'm going to a military ball next month, and I think this is the shade that I'm going to be using because I'm just doing like old glam type of makeup, so I think this is perfect for me. Brush is always good to have. What else do we have? The blush is okay. I'm not really a fan of blush, but it's good to have. It's like a, you know, you can put it on your C palette or, you know, those magnetized palette, and then you are good to go with that. And the eyeshadows, I always love having this shade. This bag is a winner for me. I'm glad that I did unbagging with you guys. You know, I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna be picky and just be a baby and whine about what I didn't get and what I got, you know, in my bag. This is a try on channel, so I'm gonna try everything that's in my bag, in my subscription bag, box, whatever. We are gonna try it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which product you guys enjoy and which product would you like to have. If you are subscribed to Ipsy, how are you liking your bag? Let me know. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe before you leave, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.